TJ went to say hey.
Hey.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl. We're back with another freaking video. And today I will be installing this lovely, lovely V-part wig. This is my first time installing the V-part wig. Yeah. If y'all want to see how to install it, keep watching. It was a quick and easy process. It should take you like 15 minutes. Really. 30 minutes is pushing it. But yeah, it's like real fast and quick. So keep watching. Okay, so I have to cut it. Just gonna cut it along the line. Okay, it's cut now. Here's how it looks cut. A V. The SS lace. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to cut it. I don't like the way it looks. I'm probably gonna do the braid down pattern. I washed and detangled my hair. I haven't put no heat in my hair, and I'm not, because this is a curly wig, so I don't have to blow dry my hair at all. So I'm gonna do this. I've seen people really go. Okay, I think it should be enough. Okay, cool. Can make it really a little bit smaller on the smaller side. Yeah. I comb my hair out, but this one still hurts. Okay, this is my section. This is one braid, this is another braid, this is leave out. I'm gonna do one braid off camera, then I'm gonna come out with the braid done. But make sure I do another braid, so yeah. Okay guys, this is one braid. I pulled out a little bit of edges. I don't know how like dramatic I want my edges yet, so that's why I'm just putting out a little bit at a time.
Tell me what you want, I go repeat. Tell me what you need, I go need deep. When I fall in love, I go deep deep. You can copy that like it's easy. You look like you need proper. Come get this vitamin deep power. Be ready to touch when I reach it. I go eat it up, I don't think it. In my bed, there's a meeting in my bed. In my bed, there's a meeting in my bed.
Okay guys, these are the two anchor braids. Now I'm gonna just do cornrows back, so my hair will be flat, because my hair too thick to just put in a low ponytail. But if your hair allows you to do so, and I didn't blow dry my hair, I say just sleek it back in a low ponytail or bun. That's the fastest way to do it. My hair keep getting tangled in this fringy. Other than that, just braid it back like you would do a normal wig. Okay guys, this is the braiding pattern. I got a total of 8 braids, 4 on each side. I got me a wig cap. It's not mandatory, but I just don't want the excess comb snag on my hair.
Shut up, I'm on the phone with Robbie. Shake that ass as fast as you can. We guarantee to make the party people bounce to the beat. guaranteed to make the party people party people. We guaranteed to make the party people party people. We guaranteed to make the party people party people.
God's little bitch.
I want people to do that. I want musical female picture of my superheroes. It's in the school, my damn. Canvases, one by one, please read the name on the bottom of your skull. Main Rich. Jackie. Joey. Jimmy. Put that thing up. Tattoo.
Okay guys, this is kind of like the finished look. I'm finna go to sleep. It would have been better if I would have did this before I went out somewhere. So yeah, this is the finished look basically.
I'm not gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna watch TV.
This was an easy install. I do recommend anybody who wants a low maintenance, quick, no glue, no lace you have to deal with, just clip in basically, and little to no leave out. It's up to you if you want to do leave out or not. If there is a way that you can style it without leave out, but I didn't like that way personally. But if you want to try it out, the link will be in the bio to this wig. It's real soft, y'all. You see my hair, little to no shed. The curler is nice. It's like easy to comb through. Like 5 stars for sure. And it's an Amazon wig. And Amazon wigs really been eating lately. The products that I use to style it is this Shea Butter Coconut Oil Lotion, Eco Styler, Shining Gel, Edge Effect, and Mousse. I gotta play around with it to figure out like what combination would be best for me. As of now, I like the Shining Gel, Mousse, and water. Yeah, I forgot. And I use a spray bottle.
I'm not doing no. Fuck that shit. This car is gonna stay there. Man, I'm just rolling loud.
Alright, y'all, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna put the link in the bio for this wig. It's an Amazon wig. It came real fast. It's very soft, little to no shed, easy to apply or install. The color gives. Maybe one day I'll record a video trying to flat iron it since it is human hair, but I'm not there yet. I'm gonna keep it curly for now. Comment down below what y'all rate this. I give it a 10. Yeah, I like it. It's so fluffy. Like, it gives natural. That's what it gives. If you purchase this wig, DM me, send me pictures at the_Harmo 2 Y's on Instagram or at OK.Harmo on TikTok. I'm gonna take pictures with this, so stay tuned for that, and make TikToks, of course. That's it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm out. Bye, guys. Can you play that again?